Hello, everyone. First, let me explain why days 4 and 5 have been combined into a single update. The primary reason is that I undertook a massive overhaul over these 2 days. I switched the underlying game engine from Godot to Phaser. Since the game is intended to run primarily on a website, Phaser's runtime package is significantly smaller than Godot's. However, as far as the AI was concerned, this effectively meant rewriting the entire codebase from scratch. After consulting with the AI, we devised an 11-step plan to implement the game's features in batches on the new platform. Unfortunately, halfway through the process, I ran out of daily credits for my Claude Max plan. Consequently, I had no choice but to call it a night, which is why I didn't post a progress update at the time. As of today, not only have all the original features been fully re-implemented, but the few remaining map elements that were previously unfinished have also been completed. I also took the opportunity to create a few simple demo levels to showcase the various level elements that have now been successfully implemented. Level 1, very simple, just show how to play. Level 2, add glass wall which is breakable, and transport point to next page. Coins, and spike which is dangerous. Level 3, key and the wall controlled by the key. Portals inside same page. A conveyor belt that can transport the protagonist. The moving gear, carefully dodge it. Fixed and trackable turrets. Time spikes and lasers. Alright, so that's what the AI produced for me over the course of 5 days working in my spare time. Up to this point, I haven't had to write a single line of code. Next, I'm going to have the AI build the website system needed to host this game, just to see how well it handles that task.